Good morning, dear students. My name is Manjunath. Today is my second video. In previous class, we discussed BA first semester English optional syllabus as per Karnataka University Dharwad syllabus. In previous class, we discussed brief notes Macbeth by William Shakespeare. Today, we will discuss Shakespeare as a brief notes which carries 5 marks as per pattern of question paper. William Shakespeare as a brief notes. William Shakespeare, an English poet, playwright, the prince of poets and king of dramatists. He is often called as England's national poet and the bard of Avon. Shakespeare is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and world's preeminent dramatist. His surviving works consist of 37 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and several other poems. His plays have been translated into every major language and are performed more often than those of any other playwrights. See here you can see the image of Shakespeare. For those who are newer or for those who are going to study first time history of English literature, and at the bottom of the image there is a timeline 1564 to 1666. So this timeline is going to change from one book to another book. So if you refer different books. Life of Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on the 23rd April 1564 at Stratford-on-Avon, Warwickshire. He was the son of a prosperous tradesman of the town. He went to the local grammar school where he learnt Latin and arithmetic. Financial misfortunes overtook his father. When he was about 14, taken from school that he might help the family by earning money. In his 19th year, he married Anne Hathaway, a woman 8 years senior to him. Anne Hathaway was daughter of well-to-do family. 3 children were born to them. It is certain that a few years after his marriage, about 1587, he left his native town to seek his fortunes in London. There was a turning point in Shakespeare's life when he reached London. At this time, the drama was gaining popularity through the works of University Wits. So here is the word University Wit. You are going to study this in detail in the history of English literature. Just I am giving brief information about University Wits. University Wits is a group of writers or dramatists before Shakespeare. So the name came University Wits as follows. These writers are scholars, either they graduated from Cambridge University or Oxford University. These writers are called as pre-Shakespearean dramatists or precursors of Shakespeare. So next we will continue. Shakespeare soon turned to the stage and first became an actor and then playwright. He stayed in London for 20 years, working hard, producing on an average a couple of plays a year and growing steadily in fame and wealth. In addition to his popularity as both an actor and playwright, Shakespeare became joint owner of the famous Globe Theatre when it opened. Then we'll go to his literary life. Shakespeare produced the most of his known works between 1589 and 1630. His early plays were mainly comedies and histories. He raised to the peak of sophistication and artistry by the end of the 16th century. He then wrote mainly tragedies until 1608, including Hamlet, King Lear, Othello, and Macbeth. These works considered some of the finest works in English language and literature, and they are also known as important tragedies of Shakespeare. In his last phase, he wrote tragic comedies. They are also known as romances, and he collaborated with other playwrights. Shakespeare's financial success in London theatre enabled him to retire and return to his home in Stratford around 1610. He lived there comfortably until his death on April 23, 1660. It is popularly believed that he died on his birthday. Then we will go to plays written by William Shakespeare. So we can divide plays written by Shakespeare into different categories, namely comedies, tragedies, and historical plays. Comedies are as follows: The Comedy of Errors, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, Love's Labour Lost, Midsummer Night's Dream, The Merchant of Venice, The Taming of the Shrew, Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, Twelfth Night, The Merry Wives Windsor, Troilus and Cressida, All Is Well That Ends Well, Measure for Measure, Pericles, Cymbeline, The Winter's Tale, The Tempest. Then next category is tragedies. Titus, Andronicus, Romeo and Juliet, Julius Caesar, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, Timon of Athens, Antony and Cleopatra, Coriolanus. Then historical plays. Historical plays are as follows: King Henry VI Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. King Richard II, King John, King Richard III, King Henry IV Part 1 and Part 2, King Henry V, King Henry VIII. So these are all the plays written by William Shakespeare. So in examination, if possible, you remember all the words and write it down, or at least you can write two or three works or two or three plays either in tragedy, comedy, or historical plays. So with this, I am going to conclude or end my today's class. Thank you. Thank you.